Hi, today I'm running Oppo A77 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode, pin code, or pattern unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.